Bold advancement leads to great distances. Swift strides reach the highest summits. Shandong Ruijie Numerical Control Technology Group. Located in a historic and cultural setting, the beautiful scenery of Jinan, Shandong. It is a national high-tech enterprise. General technical conditions for engraving machine. Local standard drafting unit in Shandong province. The company relies on cooperative research and development, promote high-tech, high-quality products. Over the years, he has relied on his determination to forge ahead, the spirit of shared achievements, and the service tenet of good reputation and service first. Become a well-known enterprise with leading quality and sales. In 2009, the company was rated as a development potential enterprise. In 2018, it was rated as an advanced unit of technological innovation. 2019, obtained the honorable title of Vice President Unit of Integrity Enterprise. The company integrates R&D, production, sales and maintenance services, professional manufacturing of fiber laser cutting machines, intelligent engraving machine, laser glass sanding machine, carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine, and other products. The company continues to introduce international advanced production technology and production process, develop and produce high-quality products, cost-effective numerical control equipment, continuously create value for customers. Jinan Ruijie Machinery Equipment. Founded in 1997, year 2000, Jinyutai officially passed ISO 9000 quality system certification. In 2009, Brazilian and South African branches were established. In 2011, the Iranian branch was established. Until 2012, the company's sales exceeded 100 million. In 2019, the company changed its name to Shandong Ruijie Group. For more than 20 years, the company has always been committed to technological innovation, guide market development, innovative ideas that make the world feel different. Ruijie series products. It has been widely used in quantitative sub-engineering, LED advertising characters, metal processing and cutting, advertising industry, furniture manufacturing, craft gifts, architectural model, CAD, CEM, industrial mold industry, apparel, logo, seal and other industries. And because of its clear cost-effectiveness in various domestic application fields, has completely replaced imported generic products. The company insists on user request-oriented, successively in major cities across the country, established sales and service outlets, provide users with full services such as design, installation, and consultation. The company pursues management for efficiency. Survive by quality, the business philosophy of seeking development by reputation. Actively improve product quality values. Adhere to professional and practical product design principles for a wide range of users in various industries. High quality and inexpensive products and perfect system services. Professional, dedicated, innovative, and efficient business philosophy. Deeply imprinted in the hearts of every Ruijie. Ruijie people insist on providing customers with the best quality service. Create the best experience. Let Ruijie products change the world. Build the future with intelligence.